IP law. Can't go through everything. Patents, I will say, is a very highly specialized area of intellectual property law. Patent lawyers generally have a hard science background, so they might have a degree in biochemistry or physics or electrical engineering. And so I would, if you have a patentable invention or idea, I would strongly suggest speaking with a patent specialized attorney and see if whether the costs and the risks of disclosure when you're filing a patent application is worth doing. But I did want to spend a little bit of time talking about trademarks because I think this is a lot more relevant to most startups, well, all businesses. So I think entrepreneurs and businesses, they inherently understand trademark law. Trademark law protects your brand, your logo, your slogan. And they inherently understand that if you have a beverage company, you cannot name it Coca-Cola. If you have a running shoe company, you can't name it Nike, or else you're going to run into some very expensive legal problems along the road. But I think what entrepreneurs oftentimes fail to think about are all of the other trademarked brands that are out there that could have a claim against you for infringement if you are using the same brand in the same industry as they are. Okay, and where this usually comes to play is, and the reason why this is so important is because let's say that you've spent 2 to 3 or 5 years building your brand, and you have customers and a strong client base and a lot of goodwill in your brand. You've gotten articles written about your business or about your product. And all of a sudden, 3 years into your business, into building your brand, there's a company that comes and sends you an infringement letter saying that that they have the trademarked rights to use their mark and exclude you from using it. Well, at that point, you either have to negotiate really hard or pay that other company to go away, or you have to rebrand yourself, and you're basically put in a position where you're between a rock and a hard place, and the entire ordeal is very stressful on founders. So with trademarks, I would recommend that even when you have an idea for a brand name, hire someone to do a full search and clearance on that name.